Hello guys, so here are the basic chest of drawers from IKEA. These are the Malm drawers and they're £60. This is the sticky back paper that I bought from B&Q. It's only £5. So we're just going to align the sticky back paper against each panel of the chest of drawers. This will give it a nice gold finish. So you'll need scissors and a ruler and a hairdryer, which I will get to in a moment. The paper is lined and numbered, which will help you measure each cutout for the chest of drawers. As you can see, I'm using the numbers to measure how long each panel will be. Then you're going to cut the sticky back paper, ensuring that you have enough space for the sticky back to fold over each panel and to the end of each drawer. The panels are all the same size, so you can cut the sticky back in bulk in order to save time. It is very important that you leave excess sticky back paper to fold over the sides, otherwise you're going to see the white wood and it will destroy the finished look. Then you're going to take a ruler and you're just going to apply pressure to make sure you get all the air bubbles out of the sticky back so it has a nice, shiny, smooth finish. Then you're going to take your hairdryer on the highest heat but on the lowest pressure, and you're just going to melt down each panel of the sticky back paper. And this is the finished look. Super easy. Now you have a beautiful gold panelled white chest of drawers. I love this look so much. It makes my room look so much more elegant and expensive. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and check out my other DIYs. See ya!